Today we're looking at a 2013 Honda CRV EX. It's a certified unit with 50,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner, alabaster silver in color. We'll go ahead and give you the walk around here. Start down the driver's side. Everything's in really good shape. It is equipped with the backup camera, alloy wheels, and sunroof. The exterior of this vehicle is very clean, well taken care of. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Gray cloth. Driver's seat looks good. All right, really nice, cool design on the inserts. Kind of like a perforated cloth almost, but the driver's seat's in good shape. Comes with a key fob. Passenger seat looks good. No problems there. Convenient power outlet there. Automatic. Got your climate control. AM FM CD player. And that's where your backup camera is going to be, and I'll show you that in a second. It is equipped with steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. It's got 50,763 miles. I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the backup camera. Go ahead and dim that down a little bit. And engage. All right, there's your backup camera. I've had the AC going now for about 10 minutes. Everything's blowing cold there. No problems with the air conditioner. All right, let's go ahead and take a step in the back seat. Check that out. Back seat cloth's in good shape. Everything well taken care of. Carpet back here is in good shape too. No issues there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the layout. Let's go ahead and check out the liftgate and storage space in the back. Nice hard plastic protector back here. It's really nice to have. Alright, plenty of space back here in the CRV. Get to the side, you can get the depth on there. Really easy to get the seats down back here. I want to show you this little handle right here. Pull that. Alright, seat goes right down. This handle here, pull it. Alright, seat goes right down. I'll show you how much that opens it up back here. Alright, plenty of room back here now. Give you a shot of the passenger's front seat. Everything's been well taken care of on the CRV. It is a certified unit. I'll give you a shot of the wheels and tires. Got 17-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires. Alright, once again guys, a 2013 Honda CRV EX. It's got 50,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, it's been well taken care of. Come down, check it out, and thank you for watching the video.